Yijin Hardware Company was established in 2003 with a factory area of over 25,000 square meters and over 100 employees. We have 136 high-precision CNC machining centers, 278 CNC lathes, 277 3-axis and 5-axis machining centers, and 30 laser cutting machines, 10 CNC bending machines, 20 CNC punching machines, 150 cold heading machines, and 887 various auxiliary equipment. We have 281 sets of testing equipment, including Zeiss coordinate measuring machines, image measured instruments, two-dimensional measuring instruments, two-dimensional measuring instruments, salt spray testers, Rockwell hardness testers, Vickers hardness testers, X-ray film thickness testers, etc. Strong production capacity, fast delivery, and 24/7 responsive engineering support. Yijin Hardware, as a qualified and trustworthy CNC machining company, specializes in the development and production of precision parts in various industries, providing top-notch CNC manufacturing services involving CNC machining, customized fasteners, sheet metal processing, casting, etc. ISO 9001 certified, large-scale, modern chemical plants adopt modern 5-axis machining technology, and our modern machining workshop adopts various popular and advanced CNC machine tools, including boring, drilling, milling, cutting, and tapping devices. We have a large modern electroplating factory with advanced equipment. Mature silver plating, nickel plating, gold plating, zinc plating, palladium plating technologies can handle over 100 U of thick gold treatment and heavy metal treatments such as PDNI. In addition, there are also anodizing, electrophoresis, dachromate, and hard oxidation. In the field of fasteners, we are a manufacturer that integrates design, testing, production, and fastening. Produce customized fasteners, bolts, nuts, and washers. Customized services currently available in the sheet metal business: laser cutting, plasma cutting, bending, box spare parts processing, stainless steel sheet metal processing, sheet metal bending, panel processing, shell sheet metal processing. Its operating base has a superior geographical location, adjacent to the most advanced first-class port, Shenzhen Yantian Port. Our business covers over 55 countries and more than 200 varieties of customers. The products are widely used in aviation, high-speed railways, medical treatment, automobiles, yachts, precision testing instruments, industrial equipment, photography equipment, optical equipment, etc. The company relies on a strict quality management system and advanced and complete production processes to accurately provide reliable technical support to customers. With rich professional experience and technical strength, we continuously innovate and provide customers with high-performance products from product design to component production with an excellent attitude. And with good reputation and service, it is highly favored by domestic and foreign customers.